Hey y'all, it's Brittany. I can't wait. Anytime I get these, I'm just like, I've got to get into them. I absolutely love their products, and I'm a sucker for every single one of their palettes I've received. I have not received a bad one, so I am very blessed and very lucky to get their palettes. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh. It says Ireland. Oh my god. Okay. Redhead. Yep. Okay. This is so pretty, and I love greens, like greens, playing with greens and everything, but Ireland Wild Atlantic Way. Okay. They pay attention to so much detail on stuff. Even the card has like this like rubbery, really cool feeling that like it's got the like grippies and everything. So like they paid attention to so much detail everywhere, and even the palette, okay, has like stuff that you can fill on it. Okay. Oh, it's velvet. Oh my god. I don't think you can see that, but oh my god, it's velvet. Oh my god. That is so cool. And then it's got the little clovers on it, and I'm not even sure if you can see the clovers because they're so light, but that is so cool. Oh my god. And every palette they make has the big mirrors in them, and look at these colors. I absolutely love greens, and these are so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, that green and that one. Oh my god. And then it's got some purples in here, and then a couple that orange is really like, it's like a fall type brownish oranges, and it's really pretty. Oh my god. Every palette they make has a really pretty color story. Like, there's so many colors and shades and different things you can come up with, and I'm absolutely loving this velvet thing. I really hope that you can see the little, because it's just lightly imprinted with the clovers, and it's so cool. And then they have this little thing that goes around, but oh my god. So we're gonna go in with Wild Atlantic Way, and I just so many of these beautiful colors that I'm just like, I want to take all of them on my eyelids. But we're gonna start with this, and then just see what we create. I mean, granted, it's gonna be definitely a green color, but I kind of want to go wild today and kind of start some of my artistic stuff too. So. Really pretty color, and you could just go with that and stop, but we're gonna go with Croach Patrick, and then we're gonna put that in the crease. Okay, now we're gonna go with Blarney Stone, and I just want to make that crease just a little bit darker. So these are such pretty emerald colors. Like, I really think this palette's so beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna go with, I believe, taint. And when I was saying Blarney Stone, I was like, Blarney Stone. Like, hello, I'm not from there, but hello, I'm having an accent over here. So we're gonna take this one, and then we're gonna put this in like a V type of like a V cut, and try to keep that towards the outer edge. I need to go practice some Ireland talk and see if I could fit in. I do not believe I'm from Ireland. I may have some touch. I've never gotten DNA tested to see like where my ancestry lays, but everyone says redheads come from Ireland, which I don't think we all do, but pretty sure There's definitely redheads here that are not all from Ireland, so. But it would be really cool to go there and then see a bunch of redheads. Okay, Emerald Isle. And we're gonna take this right here and it will pop. Yep, I was like, it's gonna pop that under eye to be like really bright. We're gonna take taint again and then just close off this edge right here. I think this is the best green palette I have laid hands on. Okay, so we're gonna go in Diahoot. I don't know how to pronounce some things. I definitely need to Google things before I just go and say them. I need to get better at doing this. Holy moly, in a whack. Oh my good. Hold on. This may not be the most flattering pose, but hello. That green, oh my goodies, holy moly. Okay, now I'm gonna go with slant. Okay, I probably saying that wrong, but kid, oh my god, these colors. Just absolutely stunning. Every single palette, I am telling you, every single palette, they managed to make the most most beautiful shades ever. Accents coming through. Who knows where they're coming from, but absolutely gorgeous. They have the best palettes down, hands down. Like, I've not experienced this much from any other palettes, and that's like I love a lot of other palettes and shades and stuff, and it is nice just to play around with, like, you know, other palettes, but I literally have, hold on. These are Nomad Cosmetics palettes. All of their palettes they have beautifully blessed me with. And I have about maybe 50 or 60 other palettes along the years of collecting makeup. These are my most favorite so far. Okay, so since I said I'm gonna get back into all my silly, crazy looks again, I decided since you know, Irish and Ireland and all that, it's gotta have that gold in there, so I'm hoping that this comes out. We'll see in a minute. So we have the little gold, which would be like the pot of gold, then the green eyeliner with the like the little yellow, and I think when I come home, because I'm going to eat lunch with my daughter, but when I come home I might add some like rainbow like a rainbow in here or whatever. But anyways, that is such cute. That's not a sentence. That is so cute. And yeah, I absolutely love Nomad Cosmetics every single time, and their palettes. I wanted to show some swatches of the palette. I forgot to put it in there. So alright, so Diahoot. Okay, I cannot pronounce that. But this is absolutely beautiful, and I love this shade. It is just such a pretty, I want to put it everywhere. Okay, so Blarney Stone is this really pretty green color. I absolutely love green, so every single of like the green, like especially like that's like an emerald green. So anyways, slant, however you pronounce these words. Very, very gorgeous. I literally want to roll around in all these colors. Taint or taunt. So pretty. If you were a green lover, like right there is a whole process of just absolutely beautiful greens. Okay, give me a second. Okay, Cliffs of Moher. Very pretty copper shade. Then we have Slan. Trying to do it in my Ireland accent. Okay, anyways. I love Ireland, so that would be, I don't know much about it, but I love the thought of it. So anyways, Connemara. I'm running out of arms, so I might have to switch to the other arm. But anyways, okay, Wild Atlantic Way, which is what the name of the palette is, so that's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna switch my arm. Okay, so then we have the Wild Rover. Trying to do this without messing up. Okay, Emerald Island. Why am I still having an accent? I don't know. I suck with my left hand. Like, I cannot work this. Okay, Mullen Head. I feel like I'm impaired when I am trying to use my left hand. Okay, Kima Strand. That is what I'm actually wearing underneath my eye. I forgot all about doing the swatches, and I was like, I know I wanted to do swatches because I do swatches for y'all all the time. So I did a completely different makeup look, and I actually am using Bunratty Castle and Taint or Taunt. And then what I have on my lids is the Copper Cliffs of Moher. Three. Oh, and then Mullen Head is the yellow part. So okay, or yellowish color. Okay, Ring of Curie. I so feel impaired with my left hand. Like, how do you swatch? Okay. Bunratty Castle, which is what I have like above that. It's a really pretty color. Like, really pretty. Okay, Donny Boy. It's in I think not Sons of Anarchy. I don't think they say that in there, but I want to say okay, Crouch Patrick. I'm desperately trying to think of the movie that we just watched recently. Okay, Savage Beauty. Oop, that one. Okay, can you see that? Because I kind of smeared that everywhere. Okay, and then Cobb Harbor, I think that's what it says. Trying to make sure my fingers are good. Okay, that one. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'll put it right here. Okay, so that's that side, and this side is starting to smear off because I accidentally hit my shirt a couple times. But yeah. They're so pretty. Oh, okay. Peaky Blinders, okay, is what a movie I was thinking of whenever Danny Boy, because I think there's one that he's like Danny Boy, something like that. Anyways, Peaky Blinders, good movie if you have not seen that. But they all kind of like have like an Ireland accent. So, but okay, thank you so much, Nomad Cosmetics. Oh my God, my teeth. Thank you so much, Nomad Cosmetics, for sending me this absolutely beautiful palette. It matches everything, the redheadness and everything of this like March redhead, all those silly, crazy, awesome things. I'm just like, and this is suede, and I've gotten my crummy little fingers on this too many times, but absolutely so cool. And I think now you can kind of see a little bit of the there is, I swear to God, if they say there's not, then I am delusional over here. But I feel like there's just little imprints of the 4-leaf clover, which these ones are 3, so I'm pretty sure there are going to be 3 in there. But anyways, the clovers are in here somewhere, and I can see them. They're just little imprints, but it's still cool. And y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and stay naughty.